Stop using a whole host of tools to build your online business. In this video, we're going to be using Claude to do everything for us, from design to social media to code our apps. My name is Connor, and I already have 3 apps that are making money online. So let's get into the design with Claude Design. So to get started, we're going to be looking at branding and social media. So we're going to get together, we're going to build an app, and we're going to see how it looks. So we're going to build first our design system in Claude Design. We're going to use it to build a landing page and do social media content. I've connected Nano Banana and video models so that I can actually make social media with Claude Design. And then, of course, we can hand off our design to our Claude Code and actually build the app. So to get started, we go to Claude Design, right? This is in research preview, and we're going to create a new design system. So just go to other here, and we're going to create a project called Paco. So we're going to set up our design system. So I'm just going to give what it is that my new company is about, and then we're going to start from scratch. My company is Tapa AI, and we are a Spanish language practice tool which users can use to practice their Spanish online. We have a mascot called Paco, and he plays the guitar and wears a sombrero. Okay, for now I'm going to skip all of this part because of course we're going to be doing a lot of this. We're starting from scratch. My target audience is Americans who want to travel to either Mexico or Spain. So I want to use a similar palette to Claude with beige backgrounds and nice warm colors. Okay, so now I am ready to continue to generation. So I'm going to generate my design system now, and we're just going to answer the questions that Claude has. So our draft design system has been done, and now I just need to actually answer some questions about what I think. So I think that looks good. So I'm just going to give it some feedback as well, and Claude's going to work on that in the meantime. It's hard to read the H1, H2s. It looks too much like a food company. We are an AI app for practicing Spanish. Too difficult to see between the two. Okay, so it's done all of this as well for me, which is pretty cool. I'm going to obviously make the guy a bit better, but it's nice to actually have it in SVG form. So this looks really nice because we've got our own custom icons here, which is really, really amazing. I'm really happy with that. So here is my guy. I mean, this is nice, but we'll actually also make him into more videos as well. Really nice design here. So you can see we're really getting our branding here now. We've got our website done. Obviously, I'm going to make some changes and make this look a bit nicer, but it's a really, really good first start. You can see it looks really, really nice. So I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to publish it now and go back and make it a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new landing page, but of course we can do any social media or anything. We'll get onto that in a minute, but let's make a landing page using our design system. Okay, so say use the landing page that we have so far so I can edit and make it better. All right, so Claude is now verifying it has showed me my page. Okay, I like this for like in the app, but I'm not going to use this. I think I'm going to get something a little bit better. So you can see that this is really, really good. I think for an AI developed app, it just looks landing page. It looks really, really good. But let's make it a little bit better. So I've connected AI image and video models. If you want to see how to do that, I'll leave that down below. So I want to change the hero image. I want you to create an image using Pika, the Pika connector, and we will use what you have so far as Paco for inspiration, but let's try to create it using real AI image generation tools and Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so now Claude Design has found my connector here, and it's going to generate me an image and replace it here. So you can really see how with one tool we can literally do everything. I mean, we're going to bring it into Claude Code and actually build the app then afterwards. If you are interested in building apps, I have a new cohort of people that we're going to be coaching and talking together. It's 10 people. We're going to build an AI app live, and we're going to get our first customer. So a lot of times people are building apps. It's pretty easy to build an app nowadays, if I'm being honest. But the problem is people are just building and they don't really know what they're building. They haven't validated it first. So I am an SEO. That's like my background is finding out what people search for online. And then we can build apps that people actually want, like some of the apps that I have, and then they make sales. So it's over 4 weeks. If you missed this one in the future, we'll be running more of these. So join in the link down below. All right, so we got our image back. Yeah, I think that looks better already. But I think I'm going to move that down actually because I really want to make sure that people can see the outcome, I think. So I'll say something like move the image of the teacher, move the image of Paco down into meet the teacher section where people can understand who the teacher is. And in the hero section, I think it would be good to have an image that shows the outcome, i.e., the person speaking Spanish fluently in a Mexican market or something like that. All right, so I got that changed out. I think that looks much better now. Yeah, really happy with the design now, how we're getting on. I think we're nearly ready to hand this over to Claude Code. The great thing about this is that a lot of the product features have already been decided. So I can like give Claude, I can give this to Claude Code, and then it knows exactly the design style, how to create all of the app, and what to actually make. So I think it's a good idea to go from landing page to code, and then while it's also creating the code, then we can also do the social media at the same time. So to hand up, and as you can see now, I'm in a Cloud Code instance here on my web and Cloud AI. Okay, and I'm just gonna have to make some decisions here. I'm gonna make it in a React app. It's actually not giving me as much control as I thought it would have, to be honest. But let's see how it does. Okay, so it's making its list now, and it's gonna actually create everything that we need. So it's creating a repo. So you should be connected to your own GitHub. You don't know how to do that, and so I'm gonna let that do that now. We're gonna come back over to design here, and let's do some social media. So we can use our design system here, animation, and let's do some eco social. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload my prompts here for Instagram and say follow the prompts and create me some social content or Instagram. So it's cool the way we can just kind of work on 2 sections of the business at the same time. Really is incredible what one person can do at this point. Really, really, like, I can be coding and marketing at the same time. Okay, so interesting enough, it's actually it's making an artifact for all the things that I'll need to do. So I'm gonna do a single feed post just to start off with. I wasn't even planning on calling it Pico AI really, but let's go with this. Okay, so now it's gonna create some social content for me. Okay, so it created my social media content here, and it looks pretty nice. I think I'll probably change some things around, but it's got the little face here. I think this one needs a bit of work, but overall pretty nice. When I hand it off to Cloud Code in the web, I don't think that's a good idea. In retrospect, it's better to do it locally. I kind of thought about that as I was doing it, but it's better to use it. Download all of the design landing page that we said and start building with Cloud Code on the desktop. That is the best idea. Right. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you can see that the amount of things that are possible now are incredible, right? You can really start, nice design, nice branding for your business. You can then use Cloud Code, of course, to code up an app or anything that you want. And of course, use this as well for social media. So if you are interested in starting something like this, I have a system that I use for creating new apps that I'm teaching in this cohort. So I'm really excited to get going. There's going to be one starting the May 18th. If you're past that, we'll probably do a second one later on in the year. So subscribe, check this out down below if you want to join.